Dr. Rose with Natural Transplants, and we are following up with Brent at his 1-year follow-up. And wow, tell us about the difference that this has made in your life and life with hair.
Oh, well, I feel more confident. Like, I actually have a hairline now, whereas before I didn't. I had a whole, just gnarly widow's peak going on. I can gel my hair again. I can style my hair again. I prefer military style haircuts, so surprisingly, I can get a mid-level skin fade, and you can't even see the scar, which blows my mind.
Wow.
And it's just it's a good feeling. I feel like I look younger. I feel I have more confidence, and I look forward to doing this again. Like, this has been a life changer as far as not having to wear hats everywhere you go, not having to wear hats, out to eat at restaurants. And it's just been really great for me and my confidence mainly.
That's incredible. I'm so happy for you. And, in your line of work, like you said, you can really fade it up. And do me a favor, turn to the right so we can see the difference there. Good. And then turn all the way to the left. That's where you've got your hair parted. Incredible. Hold it right there. Amazing. Awesome. All right, and then look back at me. Brent, this is fantastic. Look at all that hair. And I truly feel you.
It's crazy. It's the best investment I've made on myself.
Aww.
In my 35 years. But I'm extremely happy, and I thank each of you at Natural Transplants, and I look forward to seeing you guys again.
Oh, we look forward to seeing you too. You kept us smiling the whole day.
Yeah.
All right, enjoy your hair. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Rose.
Okay.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.